Meet John Werries. 2014 marks his 50th year of farming near Jacksonville, Illinois. He is a 2014 4R advocate. John shared some of his nutrient stewardship success as we followed him from planting to harvest. This is the Fertilizer Institute's 4R Field Report, on-farm nutrient stewardship information about how the right source, right time, right rate, and right place interact with issues facing everyone. John, his son Dean, and crop advisor Verne Bader have all shared in the cropping decisions on the Werries farm.
It's a lot easier to do one time 300 pounds of N in the fall. That's the simplest way, the easiest management. One time you're done. But is that the right thing to do? No. The 4R thing is going to make you do the right thing at the right time, put it in the right place, and use the right product. And there's many different products that you can use now with all the stabilizers and things. It just opens up a whole new world of possibilities on how you can put nitrogen on a crop.
We do strip tills, so we put on anhydrous and build a strip in the fall, and then we plant right on that strip. So it's a little tilled strip, and we have cover crops out here. We sprayed to burn down, and we're going to plant right into the strip, and as it dies, the strip's there open, ready for us.
Well, immediately after harvest last fall, the phosphate and potash was a broadcast spread according to the removal rate of the yield, which is all recorded right here. And then as soon as we finish the field, my son, Dean, the tech guy, will wirelessly send it to our fertilizer retailer. He writes a prescription, and probably tomorrow the fertilizer will be spread again. The 4Rs, the first one is the right source. Yes, we do use some nitrogen in the DAP in the fall. We use nitrogen in the anhydrous in the fall. We use the 1034O at the pop-up, 28 with the weed and feed with the residual herbicide, and then 28 for side dressing. So you have the right source and the right rate at those various times, put in the right place.
Crop advisor Verne Bader recalls the time when he discussed with John moving away from heavy fall nitrogen application.
It was a good conversation with him, but it was really hard because one of the main things we did that was a risk for us is, okay, what if it doesn't work? You lose a customer. You know what I mean? So it was a challenge for both us and him to accept that as a philosophy.
Absolutely. There was work to be done on educating farmers about the wise use of applying their nutrients. There will be more rules and regulations if we don't get on the ball here. We need to do everything we can to keep these nutrients in the soil where they belong instead of washing down the river to the Gulf.
For more information about the 4R advocates, visit nutrientstewardship.com.